Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing, and that is going to be the second from last silver Kookaburra that I need to complete my entire collection. So I'm very excited to unpackage this and showcase the second from last Kookaburra that I need to complete the whole box. But before we get into that, I just wanted to do a quick thank you to everyone that has picked up my new coin storage box. There's actually a link to these in every single one of my videos descriptions. It's a coin box that I worked with someone in the community to produce. It's got a 365 branded logo there on the front. It's got felt on the bottom so it doesn't damage any surface or slide around too much. It's got metal screws in the latches to make it nice and sturdy, and it's also got metal screws in the actual hinges as well. So the hinges aren't 3D printed together, there's actual metal going between them, so it makes it last for that little bit longer. So yeah, really hard durability and a really great way to store and protect your silver. These all hold 32 1-ounce silver coins, so the equivalent to pretty much a whole kilo of silver, only shy of a couple of grams. So if you was to grab, let's say, a 1/4 ounce or a tenth, or like I said, a couple of grams of silver and add it in the middle, then we have a full kilo of silver that you can hold in one of these. So yeah, really cool. I've actually got another one on order myself that should arrive very, very soon, so I can start filling it up again. And then I have 2 full kilos worth of coins just in these small boxes that are really, really compact and fit nicely in your safe. So yeah, thank you to everyone that's been picking these up. I really, really do appreciate it. But let's get straight into today's video. Now I have actually opened this because I wasn't sure what it was. So I opened it off camera, and as soon as I saw what was inside, I knew that I had to set the camera up and showcase it. I'll leave the invoice in there and showcase it on camera. This collection has been a long time coming. I really, really wanted to try and complete this collection over the course of the next couple of years, but I just knuckled down last year and I ended up picking up pretty much every single one that I needed. And the final 2 that I'm missing from the Kookaburra collection, I've actually got somewhere. I don't know where they are. I was saying this to someone the other day in Stacker Social, that I've actually picked up both of the Kookaburras that I need already, and I got them last year and I paid slightly less of a premium than I've actually had to pay now by rebuying it, but I don't know where I've put them. So it's really frustrating. I've had to go out and pick these last 2 up again and pay a higher price, but it is what it is, and eventually they'll turn up. And when they do turn up, then I'll have to sell them because I don't really want duplicates. I want to just complete this collection once. Oh, is it going to focus? And then once I manage to collect one of every single one, all I'll need to do is pick them up as they're released. So now we're in 2026. We are due to see the 2026 one being released very, very soon. So when that is released, I'll grab that one, and then it'll be easier to keep on top of this collection. But let's have a little look. I'm not going to go through every single one in today's video, but I will just very briefly show you the ones that we have so far. This is one that I need to actually sell. It's part of a different series. They released, I think they released like 20 as part of a separate series. And I thought it was the 2009, but it wasn't. We already have the 2009 in the box. So I just added it there for now, but I probably will sell that in the future. I don't want to go down any more rabbit holes with this collection. I don't want to get any privy marks ones. I'm very happy with collecting just the standard ones for now. Look at that. This was the first trade I completed. Absolutely incredible. Really, really nice. But we're heading down towards the 2001. I think that was 2001, wasn't it? The one we just unpackaged. No, 2002. So we're still awaiting for the 2001. And I have actually ordered that one as well. So when that arrives, I'll be able to do another video and we'll be able to actually say that I'm officially up to date with the date run of the silver Kookaburras. So can't wait to achieve that. Just going to clean the inside of these capsules. That's one. And that's two. Right, now we've got to see how easy it is to get into this one. Some of these are easier than others to get into. Sometimes you have to put a knife in. Sometimes you can actually just get your fingernails in. I'll show you it outside the plastic. Look at that. Absolutely stunning design. Really, really nice. And we'll tip it in there. And then I'll just show you this side as well. You can see it looks like it's been polished. You can see there's a few marks on the face. You can see where someone's brushed over it. But apart from that, fairly pleased with that. I did notice on the other side it looks like there's a little bit of a mark on it just over here. But for now, I'm very, very happy with that. In the future, I might go back and try and get some more perfect looking ones for some of the ones that have little marks on them. But for now, I just want to complete the collection. And that is what we're getting very, very close to doing. So that is 2002. Pop that in there. And like I said, we just need 2001 and then it's done. And that is amazing to think that in under a year now I've completed this collection. I did give myself I think I might have even said 3 years to complete it, or maybe was it 2? I can't remember what I said now. I gave myself a target to just kind of slowly collect this collection. But as it was, as with most things, once you start, it's very hard to stop. And I got caught up in just grabbing them every time I was looking on the second-hand market, and one popped up that I needed. I just pulled the trigger and got it. And really, really nice to get to the stage that we've got to now. And this box actually holds 60 coins. So I've got a number of years that I can still use this box until it's completely full. But there we go. Thank you very much to everyone that's watched today's video. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're interested in picking up one of my coin boxes, I will leave a link. I'll actually pin it as a comment as well to make it easier to find. But yeah, we'll leave a link in the description as well. But as always, thanks very much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a very nice day.